Starting out in a job, I of course had no idea what my 401k could and could not do. In the video that Christian's about to go through with you, it's going to overview some of the questions that you might have about your own 401k. Enjoy the video.
So what is a 401k and how does it work? It's basically an employer-sponsored retirement plan with certain tax advantages to help encourage people to save for retirement. 401k plans typically offer a limited number of investments like mutual funds or exchange-traded funds. One of the drawbacks of 401ks are the fees. Some 401k providers may charge additional administrative fees on top of the cost of individual investments. These fees are not always obvious, so check with your plan administrator or use an online 401k fee analyzer. If you're unhappy with the fees that you're paying, you can consider other retirement accounts like individual retirement accounts or IRAs. But even if your 401k offers limited investment choices or charges high fees, it may be worth contributing enough to the maximum match from your employer. The match may outweigh these drawbacks. If you would like to learn more about your 401k, then contact our home office at 888-350-5396 or reach us at our website at tfawealthplanning.com. A good opportunity only becomes great when you act on it. So get with the person that sent you this video. Have a great day.
Powerful information, wasn't it? If you'd like to learn more about life insurance with living benefits, you're going to want to click that link right there. If you'd like to learn more about a child index life policy, you're going to want to click right there. Enjoy.